Sharon Radio, delivering trusted business and financial intelligence. Good afternoon and welcome to Sharon Business Radio, the voice of the economy, bringing you the latest updates on business, finance, and market trends shaping Nigeria and the global economy. I am Billy Nwogu, and here are the top business stories making headlines on Thursday, July 16, 2026. Nigeria's main stock market index, the NSE All-Share, fell to 241,434 points on July 16, 2026, losing 0.38% from the previous session. Over the past month, the index has climbed 0.26% and is up 85.31% compared to the same time last year, according to trading on a contract for different CFD that tracks this benchmark index from Nigeria. It recorded mixed performance with key blue chip stocks showing declines, while a few banking and industrial stocks posted marginal gains. Data from Trading Economics show that major market movers like Dangote Cement dropped by 6 naira to close at 1,041 naira, while Bua Food recorded a significant loss of 93 naira 90 kobo to settle at 845 naira 10 kobo. Bua Cement also declined by 30 naira 60 kobo to 275 naira 60 kobo, while Seplat fell by 298 naira 90 kobo to close at 11,065 naira. Geregu Power and Transcorp Hotels also recorded losses. On the gainer side, MTN Nigeria remains stable at 820 naira, while Zenith Bank, Lafarge Africa, and Guaranty Trust Holding Company posted slight increases. Meanwhile, macroeconomic indicators show Nigeria's inflation rate at 15.91%, interest rate at 26.50%, and unemployment rate at 4.90%. Market observers say investors are becoming more selective as market movements reflect conscious trading amid prevailing economic conditions. Though it's sustaining its bull steroids in the second half of 2026, competing among the best performing market globally. This came after the Nigerian market was rated by Bloomberg as number one globally in terms of capital gains. The Nigerian Exchange NGX All Share Index ASI year-to-date as at June 2026 grew by 47.4% to close at 229,419.18 points from 155,613.3 points recorded at the end of the last trading day in December 2025. Similarly, the investors gained 47.841 trillion naira as at June 2026. Globally, Gift Nifty futures signal a steady start to Thursday's trading session as investors kept a close watch on tensions between the United States and Iran alongside rising crude oil prices. At the opening bell, India benchmark indices posted modest gain. The Nifty rose by 83 points to open at 24,142.10, while the Sensex gained 265 points to begin the day at 77,388.42. The India rupee traded flat at 96.25 to the dollar compared to 96.26 in the previous session. Meanwhile, Brent crude hovered near $85 per barrel, with most sectoral indices recording slight gains in early trade. In the previous session, market closed higher, supported by buying interest in banking stocks and softer than expected inflation data from the United States. This strengthened expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve may take a less aggressive approach to interest rate hikes. The Sensex added 130.49 points to close at 77,185.43, while the Nifty edged up 26.45 points to settle at 24,078.50. However, investor sentiment remained cautious as geopolitical tensions intensified, Reports indicate continued U.S. military actions targeting strategic infrastructure in southern Iran, particularly around the Strait of Hormuz, a critical global oil transit route. The development has heightened concerns over potential disruptions to oil supply, contributing to upward pressure on crude prices. And that's all we have on Sharon Business Radio. For more updates on business, finance, please follow us daily via our TikTok link and YouTube channel, Sharon Business Radio. I am Billy Unwogu. Thanks for listening.